Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to enter rest mode. Firstly, from the homepage of the console, press this button on the controller. Now, go to Power and select Enter Rest Mode. In rest mode you can charge controllers, download updates and suspend your games. To leave rest mode, press this button on the controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.